Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a picture fill the whole page in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to click New Slide drop down menu. Then create a blank slide. Then go to Insert menu and click this picture drop down menu and click this device. Now go to your picture file location and choose any picture. Now insert this picture. You can resize this picture like whole page. You can see I insert picture fill the whole page in Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for